Now I am using the Rufus software. You can get it for free from the web if you search the Google, and you select. Let me just start the recording, and then you can select your version of Windows. I am using Windows 10 Pro 1809 release, and I am going to make this the MBR version because uh, uh, I have a lot of these machines which are mixed up. Some of them uses the MBR partitioning scheme. Some of them uses the not some of them, just the V3 which is the 7810 uses can be used the GPT partition scheme because it is a newer machine and it has the UEFI system, but I'm not going for that. I'm going for the MBR partition scheme, and I will be burning the making the USB Windows USB bootable USB that is with this system, because I can use this system with any of the system. uh, the benefit of that is that I will be setting up uh, the UEFI one in a non-UEFI BIOS variant, so that I can install the MBR. I will be partitioning the hard drive with the MBR partition scheme, not the GPT partition scheme. The GPT has some certain advantages, but just for to be easy on myself, I'm using the MBR partitioning scheme, the non-UEFI system. You can use the UEFI system if you have newer machines than I have, because what I've probably read somewhere that it is slightly better than the MBR one. So let me come back after uh, the USB drive is done, and then we will boot the system, and I will show you the BIOS setup from the Dell T55 one. We will be setting up the BIOS from the Dell T55 system, which has 56, I believe so, 5670 X5670 dual Xeon 70 dual Xeon installed in them. And then we will be moving to the 7810, which has E52670 V3 processors installed.